Hallo Klasse 8 Schüler. Heute lernen wir von Sampark Arbeitsplatz 2, Seite Nummer 7. So here all the grammar first of all they have given for a revision of accusative. Accusative verb list here they have given with the meanings which you are supposed to learn. If this verb comes there will be only a nominative case and a accusative case in the sentence. Okay. So this is very important. In grade 7 we have already learned. Now, Frage 1. Lesen Sie den Text und beantworten Sie die Fragen. Read the text and then answer the following questions. It's like a comprehension. Make sure you will write the answers in full sentence. So, insgesamt 15 Fragen they have given, 15 questions. Now here again explanation of accusative case they have given. This is very important, students. Conjugation of some verbs. Okay, this WH questions. Okay, when to ask which question is given. So now related to this some exercises. Frage 2. Bilden Sie Sätze mit den folgenden Verben. Make the sentences using these verbs. Okay, so accusative verbs, some of them are, for example, sehen. Ich sehe den Fluss. I see the river. So do not copy my sentences. This you use as an example and you are supposed to write your own sentences. So whichever the grammar part you are watching here, students, that you are supposed to write down in your notebook for your practice. Let's move to the Frage 3. Ergänzen Sie wer, was oder when. Who, what or when. Okay. First one is a nominative person. Next, accusative or nominative thing. And when, whom is a accusative person. One example, for example, Nummer 8 we will solve. Die Kinder suchen die Lehrerin. The children are searching for the female teacher. When suchen die Kinder? Now here the answer is die Lehrerin, which I have underlined. So which is the accusative case person hai. So in the question it will become when suchen die Kinder. The Kinder is nominative and the when question, that is a accusative question. Now let's come to the Frage 4. Wortstellungen. Now here you have to put your verbs place verb at the correct place. So mein Vater arbeitet bei Maruti. Verb is at the second place. Now what you have done, they have here started with the preposition or some adjective. Okay, so by Maruti means by Maruti company arbeitet mein Vater. So your verb should come at the second place. Okay, by Maruti, it's a by Maruti company, so this comes at first place. Okay, jetzt Frage 5. Ergänzen Sie das Personalpronomen. Personal pronomen you have to use here, correct? Ich arbeite jetzt, I work now. Bitte stören Sie mich nicht. Please don't disturb me. Stören verb है, Sie nominative है. So the blank becomes accusative. Don't disturb me. So ich personal pronomen is mich. Same total 7 question you have to solve for that. Now the next Frage 6. Ergänzen Sie die Endungen. So the correct ending you have to add here. For example, Frage 5 we will solve. Ich lese den Roman. Identification of a cases. This is a practice for that. I am reading, I am a nominative case. What you are reading? A roman, novel. Okay, original article for all the words I have written. Accusative, there changes to then. So it becomes den Roman. Jetzt, Frage 7. Was ist richtig? Options they have given in the bracket. Okay, for example, this I will solve. Imperative का question है students. Seien Sie geduldig, Herr Braun. Herr Braun, be patient. We are speaking with Herr Braun, so we have to use the capital Z form. So it becomes seien Sie. So it is a revision of all the things which we have done till now, which are very very important for an email and a letter writing also. Now, Frage 8. Suchen Sie das richtige Verb. Verbs options they have given. So you have to put select one. Now Frage 10, setz euch. Take a seat, all of you. Setzen is to take a seat and sitzen is to sit down. So here the correct word is setzt, that is to take a seat. Okay. So das war unser Arbeitsplatz 2. Okay. Wir treffen in unserer nächsten Video. Bis dann. Tschüss.